Hey fellow creators, ever feel you stuck in a loop, thinking about you're not just good enough, like you are still just a noob? Yup, I have been there too. That feel where your work doesn't feel share worthy and you telling yourself, I can't offer video editing service and I'm not ready. Okay, so let's be real. We all get caught in that same doom scrolling loop. Saving video for inspiration but never get anything from them. I know this because I have been on that same path. Anyways, I am Jion Ansari and I am a freelance video editor. And trust me, I have had that same doubt. But here is the truth. Actually, your journey matters. Even if you still feel like a beginner, every single edit makes you one step forward. You don't need to be perfect to be valuable. Let people say how you have grown. Your progress is your portfolio. Don't wait for perfect moment. Post your work. Show your process. Show the messy middle that what people connect with. Every step from your very first edit to your best work, because it's all part of your story. And remember, it's not about what you see in online. Frame by frame, it's about taking inspiration and add your own creative touch. That's what makes you stand out. Alright, if you enjoyed this video and wanted to keep growing alongside me, just hit the subscribe button and let's grow together.